What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a meme coin on the Solana network, and no, we're not looking at Trump. It is going ballistic. It is draining the actual market. So this is also a tall tale sign for those of you who did believe alt season was coming or whatnot. We have not seen alt season. Alts were just trying to recover, but man, the altcoins are running into the most hurdles they've ever seen in a bull market. It has been crazy. Anyways, we're going to focus in on the Solana network meme coin token. It's called WIF, dog with hat. This one has done a 100% retracement, but this time when it got down to the 139 level, it held it. It did not break through. It did not do anything. Unlike back here where it fell below it, came back up, had to backtest it twice, then get the higher low. No, no, no. This time you came down once. You got a wick low and then you popped up. You're hitting a bit of overhead resistance right now. That is fine. What I'm really focusing in on here is the technical analysis and why this thing is more than likely going to be heading right back up to $4.57. Reason number one, Trump coin got listed on the Solana network. Solana is doing extraordinarily well today, and usually what happens when a layer 1 token starts doing extraordinarily well, the ecosystem gets to start reaping the rewards. So we're going to be focusing in on the Solana network and everything it has to offer for the foreseeable future, because it seems like it's really hot right now. Noted, we will be keeping an eye on the trends for later, but that's what I'm seeing right now. Anybody in the Ethereum network, get your fees down. Then maybe you'll catch the fire too. Anyways, so what I found here on WIF with the daily. So on your daily, you do have a form of bullish divergence with the double bottom on your relative strength while getting a lower price. This is a form of bullish divergence. It is not ideal. I will admit that. It's not the best. For this recent pop to the upside, what I'm noticing here is you did have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. You can see that right here on your relative strength with your oversold and then higher low. So you were here and then here. So lower price, higher relative strength creates a very nice move to the upside. Now, what we are looking for is a higher low before trying to see much better prices. We are coming down into that neutral territory on relative strength for the 4-hour. You're getting the negative momentum building, but that's slightly because the Trump meme coin is sucking out the liquidity in the market. I'm not talking like, oh, it's sucking out the liquidity of like the meme coin. No, the market. It's kind of shocking, but it's doing it. Anyways, what we are looking for price action right now is we are still technically in a bearish consolidation because we have not broken this downtrend. You have plenty of time right now to accumulate this token. Once you finally get a breakout and a backtest, more than likely backtest will be sitting somewhere around this 157.9 level. That is where you can start taking action, maybe if you're into it, leverage trading it, but that is what you would be looking for on a common retrace, golden retrace. Once you do get that, I am expecting to hold support around 157.9. Maybe it goes a little bit lower and you do touch that 139 again, but let's, for the sake of this argument, put it right here. You could see WIF go up 120% on its next move up just to get to that golden retrace. It would be above all of your resistance levels, so you would be expecting more than likely to get a back test down here at 282 and then moving on up to 457. Why do I say that? Well, because you were down at this level before, you went up to 457. You were down at this level again, you went up to 457. I'm not saying like history repeats itself, but you know, it kind of repeated itself once already. I don't see what would stop it from doing it again. Anyways, if it does manage to get a breakout, that's where we start seeing the fun happen. So that's where you'd start seeing your second and third profit taking levels coming. So that's when you could see WIF doing something in the realm of this. where you could be looking at possibly 344% upside. So that is why I wanted to bring this chart to your attention. WIF is doing all the stuff it needs to in order to get a strong breakout after great accumulation. So keep that in mind while looking at WIF. For you degens out there looking to try and leverage this thing, even though the Trump coin is taking off and stealing liquidity from the whole market, you might get your opportunity pretty soon here. What I would prefer to see is a backtest down here at 157.9, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. Because on your 1 hour, it is trying to find some sort of higher low action happening. So we're going to see what happens. But you did have your bearish divergence. You have your pullback. Let's check the fib levels. Let's see where this thing has the capability of going. You are currently getting a 50% retrace. This is nice. This is usually the first level I would personally be looking at to enter into longs. And noted, you still, and I repeat, still need to not only get a breakout of a downtrend, but you need to hold support after that. So that's going to be the most important thing when it comes to entering into a brand new long. You want that confirmation. Price is going to be going in your direction. Anyways, what I would be searching for after all of that happens would be a move up here. Maybe it takes long enough to where this 29% move to the upside would lead you into testing your demand line. That would be absolutely amazing in my opinion. We're going to see what ends up happening, but currently your 1 hour, it is not oversold. It is just in the bearish control zone. Going down to your 15 minute. Your 15 minute is leaving a lot left to be desired. It is showing signs that it might want to continue to the downside, so keep that in mind. Remember, you want the breakout of the downtrend and backtest either the demand line or whatever level you broke out from, whatever low that is, backtest that level as support before you have the confidence that this thing could start going up. And noted, if you're not sitting on top of support, it can still fail. Remember that. This is not the end all be all, but that is a capability of happening. Your 15 minute sitting deep in the bearish control zone. It does look like it's trying to roll over a little bit. Looks like the selling pressure could continue. Let's go as deep as the 5 minute. Let's see if we're starting to see any type of bullish divergence or anything. So all we are doing right now is setting lower highs. We need to set at least one higher high and then a higher low. That's really what we want. Do we have bullish divergence? No bullish divergence yet either. That is tough. Not even on your 5 minute. Oh, maybe we do. Very mild bullish divergence right here and right here. Beautiful. Okay, so we're starting to get a little bullish divergence. We're still going to need that higher low before we can even think about a breakout to the upside. So right now things are looking weak simply because Trump token is draining the entirety of the crypto space right now. It is absolutely wild that it can do that, but keep your heads held high because we are getting some amazing buying opportunities. When the hype comes down off the Trump token and they start taking profits, they will have a ton of liquidity sitting inside of the Solana network. Be prepared because Solana coins could start going absolutely insane. If you do like this style of content, please hit the like. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment. Tell me what other coins you think I should be reviewing, and then we will go from there. Anyways, have a great day, great evening, great afternoon, whatever it might be, and hopefully I do catch you in the next live stream. We go live every single night. We go over TA on all assets that the community asks for. We have a completely free Discord. It's in the description down below. You should definitely join that, where you can ask for chart requests. You can see news updates. You can also get, when I post, brand new coins that are out on the market based off my daily obsession with looking through CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap to see what new coins are getting listed. Anyways, other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day, evening, afternoon, morning, whatever it might be. And I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it.